7 natural remedies for jellyfish stings. Hey everyone, Rob here from Remedies Insider and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you 7 natural remedies for jellyfish stings. So if you're ready, let's go. Did you know there are thousands of species of jellyfish around the world? And with all those jellyfish around, yes, there are jellyfish stings. Most are harmless, but some can cause serious harm. Now, before we dive into the natural remedies, you may want to seek medical help if you're experiencing any life-threatening symptoms, such as if a person displays signs of severe allergic reaction like difficulty breathing, or the sting from a box jellyfish, and if the sting covers more than half of your arm or leg. Now, that's just to keep in mind if you do get stung right away, but you can treat most stings with a few basic first aid steps. So here are 7 natural remedies for jellyfish stings that you can use to ease the pain and the burn. Number 1, wash with ocean or salt water. If you get stung by a jellyfish at the beach or while swimming, the first thing you need to do is wash the affected area with ocean or seawater. The reason for this is because the salt will help inactivate the toxins to some extent for a milder reaction. Plus, this act of rinsing helps remove any stingers that may be stuck in your skin. If left unremoved, these stingers will continue to release more venom into the skin, leading to a severe reaction. Number 2, baking soda and water. The pain and skin irritation associated with jellyfish stings spreads due to the venom release into the bloodstream. And you can neutralize the venom with a paste of baking soda and water. All you need to do is make a simple paste of baking soda and water, apply it to the sting area, and leave it on for a few minutes before rinsing it off. The majority of jellyfish stings will respond to this treatment, plus it will help to stop the spread of toxins. And you can also soak the area with warm water. This will help calm down the stinging and burning. Number 3, wash with white vinegar. White vinegar works great to deactivate venomous jellyfish stingers. When trying this method, if the vinegar seems to sting too much on the application, make sure you dilute it with salt water. And I know this sounds strange and the opposite of what most people will think, but make sure you avoid using fresh water, which may worsen the irritation. And for this remedy, all you need to do is spray some white vinegar solution on the affected area. And like I said, make sure to mix it with some salt water. You might just want to do that from the get-go. After doing this, you may want to follow it up by using heat to soothe the skin's pain. There is one thing to note with this method. Some stings, certain jellyfish stings, may worsen when using white vinegar. Just keep that in the back of your mind. And if you're not sure what kind of jellyfish stung you, make sure you just use the baking soda and water option. That is the safer option. Number 4, shave the sting area. Shaving the sting area works great to remove any leftover stingers that may be in your skin. For this remedy, simply use a razor and shave the affected area. This will further prevent the release of toxins from the stingers that are in your skin. If the skin is tender and sore, use a mild antibacterial soap and or shaving cream. And make sure you throw away the razor once you're finished. Number 5, ice pack. Ice packs work great and can help reduce pain and swelling from a jellyfish sting. However, if you apply ice without first neutralizing the venom from the stingers, you may develop an extreme reaction to the exposure. And this may worsen the symptoms. The main takeaway is before using ice is to make sure you wash the stingers off with salt water before applying ice. Number 6, try an oatmeal bath soak. Oatmeal has strong anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe the irritation, itching, and swelling triggered by jellyfish stings. For this remedy, all you need to do is fill your bathtub with lukewarm water and put 2 cups of colloidal, which is powdered oatmeal, in it. Then once you add your colloidal oatmeal, which is powdered oatmeal, you can already buy this in the store already made for a bath. Simply stir and make sure it's all dissolved good. Once you mix it and make sure it's all nice and dissolved, you want to soak the affected area for at least 30 minutes. And you can repeat this twice to 3 times a day depending on the severity of your symptoms. And number 7, good old aloe vera gel. Yes, good old aloe vera gel again. Where would we be without it? It has great anti-inflammatory properties in it and can be used for just about anything. When you use aloe vera gel topically on the sting, it will help to curb the underlying inflammation and soothe the pain, itching, and swelling. Aloe vera gel works great as an antimicrobial agent that helps kill any germs present where the jellyfish has stung you. This will help reduce the chances of infection. And this is pretty self-explanatory. For this remedy, all you need to do is apply some aloe vera gel to the affected area. And then leave it on for a few hours, and then you can wash it off with lukewarm water. And you can do this remedy 2 to 3 times daily. Okay, well, that's all I got for today, and I hope you enjoyed today's video on 7 natural remedies for jellyfish stings. And if you haven't already, click the link in the description and or the pinned comment and head on over to our blog and get your free A to Z complete home remedy guide with over 2,000 plus homemade and natural remedies in it. It's 100% free, and I know you're going to enjoy it. So if you liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends, as this helps us out a lot here at Remedies Insider, and it also helps us keep the lights on. And as always, if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and tick that bell notification so you can be notified when I release a video. I am uploading 3 videos a week now. And if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I'm Rob from Remedies Insider. Have a great day or night. Take care, and God bless.